Locating the screws.
The door panel is secured to the door with 5 screws. The first 2 screws are located underneath the power window switch panel. First, carefully pry up the switch panel in the center, then pull it upward on the inner side, and finally unhook it from the rear side. This can be quite difficult, especially on the front doors, and requires a bit of patience. Disconnect the switch panel. Remove the screws underneath. The third screw is located behind a cover near the interior door handle. The cover is hooked in at the rear. Therefore, pry it out from the front side first, and then pull it forward to remove it. Remove the screw underneath. Screws 4 and 5 are easily accessible on the bottom side of the door panel. Remove these screws.
Removing the door panel.
Once all the screws shown have been removed, the door panel is only held in place by retaining clips. Starting at the bottom, pull the panel away from the door firmly with quick, sharp movements. A useful trim removal tool is linked in the description. Once all clips have been released, lift the panel upward to remove it from the window channel.
Disconnecting the door panel.
At the interior door handle, pull the Bowden cable retainer toward the rear and remove it from the lever on the outer side. The cable can then be lifted upward and removed. Now disconnect the remaining electrical connectors, and that's it.
Rear doors.
The procedure for the rear doors is exactly the same. Remove the power window switch and the screws underneath. Remove the lower screws. Remove the cover at the interior door handle and take out the screw underneath. Release the door panel clips and lift the panel upward out of the window channel.